In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily edit your budget reports within the system. This simple task will help you manage and allocate your financial resources more effectively and ensure that your budget aligns with your needs and financial goals. Now let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Reports section of your system's interface. This area is crucial as it houses all the detailed documents related to financial performance, allowing you to access and analyze data that can inform your financial decisions. Once you're in the Reports section, look for the Budgets option. This is where you manage and keep track of your income and expenditures, ensuring that you're spending within your planned limits and maximizing your resources effectively. Once you've accessed the Budgets area, you will see a list of your current budgets displayed on the screen. Now, it's time to select the specific budget that you wish to edit. This selection depends on the particular project or department you're focusing on. Having a clear idea of which budget you plan to modify is essential for smooth navigation and ensuring that you apply changes to the correct set of data. After selecting the budget you want to edit, you will observe an Edit button. Go ahead and click on this button. This will open an editable view of your budget, allowing you to make any necessary changes. It's a good practice to review the budget thoroughly at this stage and consider all elements, including income, expenses, savings, and any unforeseen financial commitments. Carefully consider what needs to be adjusted to better meet your financial objectives or respond to changes in your financial landscape. When making changes, whether you're adjusting figures or reallocating funds, ensure accuracy and thoughtfulness. Double-check your entries to avoid any errors that could misrepresent your financial standing or disrupt your financial planning. This is crucial, as accurate budgeting provides the foundation for sound financial management and decision-making. Once you've made all necessary changes and are satisfied that everything is correct, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located near the top or bottom of the page, and click it. Saving your edits is a key final step to ensure that all modifications are stored correctly and reflected in your reports. This means that any financial tracking, reports, or future analyses will utilize the most up-to-date information, positioning you for success and providing greater control over your finances. And there you have it. You've now successfully edited your budget report. By regularly updating and editing your budgets, you stay agile in managing your finances, ready to adapt to changes, and better positioned to achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on managing your financial reports effectively.